Stampede. Now, repeat after me. Stampede. Stampede. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary one word at a time. Meaning. A stampede is a sudden, frenzied rush of animals or people, often triggered by fear, excitement, or panic. In nature, animals like cattle or horses can stampede if they are startled, creating a powerful and uncontrollable movement. Similarly, large crowds of people might stampede during a concert or an emergency, causing a chaotic and sometimes dangerous situation. Think of it like this. A stampede is a wild, unstoppable surge where everyone or everything moves in the same direction all at once. In a sentence, there was a stampede of animals running across the plains when they heard a loud noise. Here, stampede describes the sudden rush of animals moving together in response to a sound. Let's try another example. The crowd started to stampede toward the exits when the alarm went off. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using stampede. Some related terms for stampede are rush, a sudden surge or movement; frenzy, a wild, chaotic situation. Antonyms, the opposite of stampede would be order, a calm, organized state where people or animals move in a controlled way. Stillness, lack of movement or motion. Part of speech. Stampede is a noun referring to a sudden rush of animals or people, often caused by panic or excitement. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.